Hey everybody, it's Bryan with the Bound Web Design here with another Squarespace tutorial for you. Today we're going to be talking about one that came to me directly from a client. They didn't like the font size on the mobile menu of their website, and were asking me about how to get this changed. And I would have thought that this would have been something that would have been available natively within Squarespace, but turns out it's not. So you do have to apply a little CSS. So we're going to jump over on my screen and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Okay, so we're here on the demo website and I'm going to take you over to the mobile view and click the hamburger here to get to the mobile navigation here. So this is what we're talking about changing here. So the font size of these navigation items you see here. So to do this, to add this CSS, we are going to need to go to Pages and then scroll down to Website Tools and then Custom CSS. And then always remember, I go back out here, and always remember that you can always hit the /, which is the same key as where your question mark's at, and it will pull up the search, or you can just simply click the magnifying glass there for the search, and then you can just type in CSS and select that. And then you're going to want to paste this CSS into your custom CSS window here. And I will include this font in this code in the video description below. And so, all right, we're going to talk about now about what each part does. So this header menu nav item A is targeting these links right here. And then the font size here is exactly what you think it is. It's selecting your font size for these items. So right now, this is at 15px, and you saw that it got smaller. And so you can just play around with the font size there. And I mean, for example, so you can get rid of that. That goes to 5, it's really small, but then you add the 0 there to make it 50. And that looks pretty good right there. So that's all there is to it, though. If you found this helpful, please leave a like and hit subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials like this one. And if you'd like me to build your Squarespace website for you, you can find my contact information in the description below.